I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin still working higher. We talked about 2019, how these rising channels, when they start breaking higher, things are different. Now, one thing about Bitcoin is you get these small pullbacks and people are just loading up their bags, right? There's a lot of FOMO in the market right now. Everybody thinks they missed the move. So bullish above here, needs to hold this level. I'm going to take you to the weekly chart in just a second, talk about some very important ideas. Again, break to the upside, like we saw in 2019. We talked about it previously. Bitcoin daily. Okay, so this was the FTX sell-off level, about 21,500. Banging, broke it. We talked about how a lot of people were waiting on entry coming back down here to 19,500, and it hasn't happened. And it's quite often you don't get that chance. But that would have been the best entry. However, Bitcoin still taking off. If you missed Bitcoin, who cares? Bitcoin dominance is taking off, but there's I just feel like I'm not some Bitcoin maximalist. But when Bitcoin takes off, it steals the show. People are FOMOing into Bitcoin right now. They're not necessarily FOMO into the altcoins, even though I'm going to show you some altcoins on Kucoin. I got a couple setups for you that have just been exploding. The target, but we already pulled the measured move of this pattern, and we know we're up here in 25,000 range. What you do not want to see, you do not want to see this, write this down. You don't want to see this come up here and get rejected off the 200 simple. Okay, that'd be a bearish retest. Not good. You want to see this flip and continue higher, right? So the 200 simple's coming in here at around 24,600. You want to see, and it's not going to happen might happen this week, who knows? But on the weekly, you are closing above this previous high. So you got low, higher low, higher high, lower high, and then even if you get a pullback, you're still higher low and then looking for higher high, looking for the move up to this target that technical analysis gives us. So, TA's been spot on, nailing this idea. Strong volume's been in the market lately. Buyers came back in. Got a lot of shout outs to give in my trading group, but this one is to my admins, myself, because we've been nailing it. Look at this. So I ran the top weekly gainers out of the top 100. We had 4 of the 5 setups posted in announcements in the main channel. These are 4 of the top 5 altcoins, weekly gainers on Binance, large, APT, FXS, OP, Kava. Look right here, you got the setups before they even break out. Kava, APT, FXS, OP. These coins are up 65%, 56%, 35%, 29% in a week. We nail the freaking bangers. I had somebody hit me up on an email and they're like, I got $300,000 and I really don't know what to do with my money. And I'm just thinking, dude, we're going to teach you what to look for. We're going to teach you the patterns to look for, and then we're going to give you the best setups. It's a no-brainer. The group pays for itself in 2 trades easily for the year. I had so many people rejoining the group, coming back to where the money is made. We're going to continue the discount. So right now it's 60% off if you pay in crypto, and an additional $100 off. I'm going to make sure you're in the best setups, period. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. If you have any questions about joining, send me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Bang. I got some setups for you at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Bitcoin dominance. This thing has been moon mission. And so we talked about how this ascending triangle broke out. And so we were looking for a move based on this distance. Okay, so we're almost there. When this happens, when you see this get crushed, it means the money will flow into the altcoins. People take their Bitcoin profits while Bitcoin is consolidating, especially, they'll take their Bitcoin profits and they'll put it back into the altcoin. So you want to see this trend lower and we'll get some type of mini altcoin season. As long as Bitcoin continues to take off, Bitcoin's strong, but you're not getting the same, you're getting a lot lower percentage gains out of Bitcoin than the top altcoins. Bitcoin wasn't doing 65% in a week or 56% in a week, etc. Right? So that's why I prefer to trade the altcoins. This is me on YouTube a couple days ago. Watch Ocean. I talked to you in detail. Like, we're looking at this key level. We're looking at this key level. You're looking for a retest. Ocean, banged, 40%. ETH, trying to make a move. It's been working higher slowly. You're at some more resistance, and ETH just continues to work higher. I mean, you could potentially get this. You got this. ETH is working on this nice double bottom. I mean, the breakout level really is here, but you got ETH above the 200 simple moving average on the daily. And so ETH slowly working higher. But remember, ETH is a large cap altcoin, so it's heavy. So you're not going to get necessarily the gains you will out of some of these next setups I'm about to give you, because they're smaller cap coins. Like, make sure if you're trading with less than $1,000, you definitely need to be on Kucoin, because you're going to hit the multiples you want. So this is Rose. And so what is very important to do, and Rose is a DeFi project, right? So previously, you have this resistance, support. So this key level, right? You get a break out of this key level, you flip it, then Rose can see nearly 100% profits on Rose USDT. Write that down. DC, so this is on Kucoin. As soon as I post this, of course, it takes off. And so make sure, follow me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris. Follow me on Twitter, and I post these, and it's Pump City, right? And so I've got another setup in just a second that hasn't pumped, but so this is DC, and I posted it in group, and then I posted on Twitter. Remember, where the attention goes, the money flows. I have a lot of followers. I talk about this coin, what happens? It goes up. DC USDT on Kucoin, posted in group, retest past entry. And I mean, it's up considerably. Like, this thing didn't even retest. Like, it's just up only. Now, there's still the strongest group of buyers is sitting here knowing, just like we're talking about it, knowing that if you get a bullish retest here, like, you have ideas for extended upside, because you got a perfect Adam Eve. Whenever you see these textbook patterns, you've got to pay attention to them, because all the beginner traders see this too. They see this first. And so everybody's waiting on this coin. And so you're going to have a strong group of buyers on a pullback. With Milos, I posted in group, breakout safe entry, and immediately just in an hour and a half, 41% gains, right? The buyers are back, right? So it's a weekend. Everybody's throwing their money at these small caps, and it's insane. Like, look at this. Look at this list on Kucoin. 63%, 58%, 40%, 38%, 35%, 35%, 30%, 27%, 26%, 23%, 23%. All these double-digit gainers, right? They're all small caps. You have to use a smaller amount of money to jump in and out of these, right? $7 million market cap. Like, it doesn't take much to pump it 60%, right? Some of these coins, like, if you got a bigger bag, you're going to need Binance coins. And that's why I talked about, like, we freaking nailed the top 4 of 5 gainers. Like, who else is doing that? Just curious. Anybody? Anyone? You guys, Kucoin, great for hitting multiple. You've got to make money now so that you have retirement later, right? You've got to take advantage of this market. And typically when Bitcoin has some upside and is bullish, and then you go into the weekend, here's a coin that I have not posted anywhere yet. Just introducing it to you guys. So RACEFI. This is a gaming coin, RACEFI, GameFi, right? So you got all these sellers right here, right? Previously you had buyers buying it up. Buyers are holding this price. Everything they can do, buy. Now it's starting to move. So I'm going to get this posted real quick, but you break this level, RACEFI is going to pump, right? So I'm going to post this thing in group, get this YouTube video out to you guys, watch RACEFI. Just like Milos, you got to make 41% gains in an hour and a half. You got to make the most of this market right now. I'm telling you guys, banging. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.